Hello, third graders. Welcome to your homework review. We are talking about subtraction. So it's just some quick refreshers before we jump in. Remember that we always start with our ones place. So we are going to slide all the way to the right before we start our subtraction. Then we move to the tens place, the hundreds, going back next door to the larger place value. And if we need to borrow, we need to make sure that we're doing that from our neighbors. So here comes our first one. So page 1, question 1, we have 762, take away 332, starting at our ones place. 2 take away 2 is 0. 6 take away 3 is 3. 7 take away 3 is 4. Remember, you have your fingers and your toes and your nose. Use them if you need them. Sliding next door to our second one, 823. Take away 242. 3 take away 2 is 1. It's time to borrow. If I have 2 cookies, I can't give you 4. So I go next door. My 8 becomes a 7, and I bring that 10 next door. That makes my 2 into a 12. 12 take away 4 is 8. 7 take away 2 is 5. 581. Moving on to question number 3. 387. Take away 262. 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 6 is 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. 125. Question number 4. 9 take away 4 is 5. 5 take away 2 is 3. 3 take away 2 is 1. 135. Last two. Remember, if at any point you need to pause or rewatch this video, please do so. Let's see if I can get this up into the screen. No, it doesn't want to. Let me change my size a little bit. There we go. 476 take away 225. 6 take away 5 is 1. 7 take away 5 is 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. 221. And then our final question for page number 1. Again, we're going to need to borrow here. So if I have 2 cookies, I can't give you 7. I go next door and I borrow a 10. 12 take away 7 I can do. That gives me 5. 1 take away 0 leaves me with 1. 6 take away 3 gives me 3. That is the end of our first page. Please go ahead and stop the video here unless you are ready for page number 2. If you are, here we go. Page number 2, again, we are still subtracting sweet faces. So starting at the first question, 476 take away 255. 6 take away 5 is 1. 7 take away 5 is 2. 4 take away 4 take away 2 is 2. 221. Moving next door. 622 take away 307. We have some borrowing because if I have 2, I can't give you 7. I go next door. I borrow a 10. 12 take away 7. I can do that's 5. 1 take away 0 is 1. 6 take away 3 is 3. 315. Moving on. 771 take away 531. 1 take away 1 is 0. 7 take away 3 is 4. 7 take away 5 is 2. 240. 832 take away 345. Can't do 2 take away 5. I have to go next door and borrow to make a 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. We have another borrow situation though, because I have 2 and I can't give you 4. I go next door. 12 take away 4 is 8. 7 take away 3 is 4. This was a super stretch question with a double borrow. So if you had trouble on that one, that is okay. This is giving you an idea of where we're headed next year with our subtraction. 2 more. 708 take away 384. 8 take away 4 is 4. Can't do 0 take away 8. I have to go next door. Make this 7 into a 6. Bring my 10 to my friend. 10 take away 8 is 2. 6 take away 3 is 3. 324. Last one. This again was a super stretch with a double borrow. I can't do 2 take away 8, so I go next door and I bring a friend. 12 take away 8 is 4. I can't do 3 take away 7, so I go next door. I get 13. 13 take away 7 is 6. 4 take away 2 is 2. 264. That brings us to the end of page number 2. If you are done up to this, please stop the video. If you are ready for the next page, here we go. Faces page number 3 of our homework this week. 845 take away 204. Let's jump in. 5 take away 4 is 1. 4 take away 0 is 4. 8 take away 2 is 6. 641. 357 take away 234. 7 take away 4 is 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. 123. 585 take away 239. We have some borrowing here. I cannot do 5 take away 9. I go next door and make my 8 into a 7. Bring my 10. 15 take away 9 is 6. 7 take away 3 is 4. 5 take away 2 is 3. 346. 738 take away 227. 8 take away 7 is 1. 3 take away 2 is 1. 7 take away 2 is 5. Sliding over. 651 take away 376. We have a double borrow. This is a super stretch. We need our 5 to become a 4, so we have 11. 11 take away 6 is 5. 4 take away 7 I can't do. I go next door. 14 take away 7 is 7. 5 take away 3 is 2. 275. Last one for this page. 815 take away 281. 5 take away 1 is 4. 1 take away 8 I can't do. I go next door. I borrow. 11 take away 8 is 3. 7 take away 2 is 5. 534. That brings us to the end of page number 3. So go ahead and stop your video unless you are ready for the next page, because here we go. All right, page number 4, my friends, starting with 487, take away 290. 7 take away 0 is 7. 8 take away 9 I can't do. I go next door. 18 take away 9 I can do. 18 take away 9 is 9. 3 take away 2 is 1. 197. We have a borrowing situation. If I have 6, I cannot give you 9. We borrow from the 3, bring our 10 next door. 16 take away 9 is 7. 2 take away 2 is 0. 9 take away 3 is 6. 607. Question number 3. 370 take away 218. If I have 0, I cannot give you 8. I go next door. Now I have a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 6 take away 1 is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. 152. 364 take away 277. We have a double borrow, super stretch situation. If I have 4, I can't give you 7. I go next door. Now I have 14. 14 take away 7 is 7. If I have 5, I can't give you 7. I go next door. 15 take away 7 is 8. 2 take away 2 is 0. So I could leave it as just 87, or if I wanted to put the 0 in front, I could do that as well. 2 more for this page. 627 take away 253. 7 take away 3 is 4. 2 take away 5 can't do. Go next door. 12 take away 5 is 7, and 5 take away 2 is 3. 374. 862 take away 429. We need to borrow because if I have 2, I cannot give you 9. Our 6 becomes a 5. Here we go. 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 9 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. 8 take away 4 is 4. 433. That brings us to the end of page 4. There is one more, and if you're ready for it, here we go. Last page of subtraction for this week, starting with 726 take away 438. Another super stretch with a double borrow. We can't give you 8. If we only have 6, we go next door. Now we have 16. 16 take away 8 is 8. If I have 1, I cannot give you 3. I go next door. 11 take away 3 is 8. 6 take away 4 is 2. 288. Another super stretch. Remember, if these are hard for you, that's okay. This is showing you where we're going next year just to see what we're able to do. Remember, if we don't try, we don't know what we can do, right? So we're stretching our brain to start to get us towards next year's subtraction because we're always building on our skills. So if I have 3, I cannot give you 8. I go next door. 13 take away 8 is 5. 3 take away 5, I cannot do. I go next door. 13 take away 5 is 8. 4 take away 3 is 1. 185. 7 take away 5 is 2. 2 take away 9, I cannot do. I go next door. 12 take away 9 is 3. 3 take away 1 is 2. 232. Another super stretch with a double borrow. I go next door. 15 take away 7 is 8. If I have 1, I cannot give you 4. I go next door. 11 take away 4 is 7. 5 take away 2 is 3. 378. 2 more. 453, 294. You're noticing a lot of super stretches because this is the last page. And if you got here, you're looking for an extra challenge, right? 3 take away 4, I cannot do. I go next door. 13 take away 4 gives me 9. 4 take away 9, I cannot do. I go next door. 14 take away 9 is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. 159. Last one. Another super stretch. If I have 0, I cannot give you 5. I go next door. 10 take away 5 is 5. If I have 0, I cannot give you 6. I go next door. 10 take away 6 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. That is the end of our homework for this week. Have an amazing weekend, sweet faces.